Hello YouTube, another short video here. Got to working on these vents in my Camaro. Figured it might make for a good video. So you know those vents that just kind of flop around, hit a bump, it points down, put it back up, try to cool off, hit a bump, points back down. You can make them to where they're pretty solid. They still move, stay where you aim them at, but this right here, that's just wore out. So what I've done here, I'm gonna pop this out real quick. So what I've done here is I have taken pieces of Velcro and I've cut them out to fit around these little pins right here, and that gives you just enough friction between the vent and the frame there that it'll actually hold it in whatever position you put it in. And then from the front you can't see it. So anyhow, short video, easy fix, figured I'd share it with you. Y'all have a good one.